So there will be a new meeting of the Autism Parents Are Tired Club. Until then, here's a good night from my children. And one of the things that we are also tired of. Ciao. Now, I done told this youngin' 4 times that it's time to put the music on to get to sleep. And what does she say to me? What you say? What? What? Is it time for bed? Go on and say, it's time for bed, right? Right? It's time for bed. And the little lady's gonna go to bed now, right? Riley? Yes. Come here. Come close. Come closer to me. What time does that clock say?
It's 8:37.
Okay. Is it time for bed?
Yes.
Good night. Good night?
Good night. Night.
Goodbye. It's night time for them, and I'm laying here, but I know in about a few more minutes I'm gonna have to get up to make sure, because they drive me crazy with it. Even the dog had the decency to get ready to go to sleep. I'm about to throw them up out here in a few, but I'm gonna let them rock out. Ain't that right, Huey? Whatever. Luna. Night time. Night time. Huey. Oh, you hear me. That's why you trying to bombastic side-eye somebody. Yeah. Autism parents are tired of telling their kids to go to sleep at least 4 to 8 times a night before they really nod out. Yup. Night, y'all.